Hi, it's Mike from 5 Minute Tech Help. Have you ever wondered if you're getting the actual speed that your internet provider promises you, or what you're paying for? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can determine if you're getting that speed by simply going to a website called speedtest.net. And in here, you will see, you can zoom in and zoom out of the map here, but it determines the closest server to you to run the test, which gives you the most accurate readings. So if you click on Begin Test, we'll explain a little bit what's going on here. So right now it's testing the download speeds. See, my provider promises me 75 megabits per second. It looks like I'm only getting 57 megabits per second. I'll explain that in a second. My provider also promises me 15 megabits upload speed. And right now it's testing the upload speed, and I'm only getting around 13 megabits per second. I'll also explain that as well. There's a few things you want to look at here. There's a top left is ping. And what ping is, and actually we'll go over to their site and it explains you exactly what it is. The ping is the reaction time of your connection. How fast you get a response after you send out a request. A fast ping means a more responsive connection. So back here, I have a 7 millisecond ping rate, which is really good, really good. So so the internet connection I have is sending out and getting back a request within 7 milliseconds. That's pretty good. If you see a high milliseconds, that might be a connection problem, a signal problem with your provider or whatever. But if you're seeing something, 10 and below, I think you're safe. Now the download speed is how fast you get something from the internet to your computer. Like I said, my provider promises me 75 megabits per second, but I'm only getting 57. Why is that? Well, I may be having something on my local network that's doing some other business, whatever. I have a lot of technology, a lot of computers here that could be doing stuff. So that also takes away from this. I could have a lot of stuff going out to the internet. Like someone right now could be watching Netflix and I don't even know it upstairs in the living room. So that downloading of Netflix would also take away your download speed. Okay, and let's talk about upload speed. Upload speed is how fast you can send data going from your computer out to the internet. Again, if there's something going on the internet in the house that's uploading something, that could make my number go down during this test. So I'm probably in the right range of where I should be at this moment, considering my household environment. So my environment on my network here. So go to speedtest.net, try it out, and if you have a really low download speed, you may have a problem and you want to talk to your provider. There are other sites, testmy.net, that will also provide you certain things. You can say test my internet here. And you can do a download test or upload test, but I usually just do a combined test. Click that, and it could take a while. But this will also give you a ballpark of how fast and how long things take to download and upload. I haven't had good luck with this site to give me really accurate readings. I mean, you can see right here it says 4.8 megabits. So I'm not sure what server they're connecting to. They could be connecting to a server on the other side of the world for all I know. So that's why I like speed test. It goes and tells you, it chooses the closest server to your IP address. And down below here, you have your IP address, and I'm blocking it out for security purposes. And underneath it will also show you what cable operator or internet provider they think you're using. I'm also blocking that out for security purposes. I also want to mention, if you're testing this using Wi-Fi, like your laptop or something, or your mobile device, because there is an app for this on iPhone and on Android, you're not going to get the accurate speeds. You want to make sure you're plugged in directly into your router, and that way, with an Ethernet cable from your computer to the Ethernet port on the back of your router. That's the only way you're going to get somewhat accurate information. Using your Wi-Fi in your laptop, Wi-Fi is so spotty sometimes you will get very low readings, and then you'll freak out and you'll call your internet provider and they'll be like, why don't you plug into your router? So I'm just saving you a phone call right there. But I hope you found this video useful. Please comment below in the YouTube feed. Tell me what you're getting for your internet speeds when you go and try this. Also, send me comments or suggestions for the show. I always like to hear what you want to hear or what you want to see me either demo or explain. Just send in the comments. That'd be great. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I need subscribers. It'd be great. The show is starting off, but I'm trying to get the word out, and I'll try to produce more and more content as the days go. Well, I'm Mike, and this has been your 5-Minute Tech Help.